Let's make some holographic resin crystals. So this is my new silicone insert. You can see it's holographic. You want to make sure you put that down on your wet resin with the rainbow side touching the wet resin. Just filling up my molds with some clear resin, dropping down my holographic inserts, and that's it. I'm going to let them dry for 24 hours. Here we are ready to demold them. On these, I actually used the Let's Resin epoxy, and it worked out pretty good. You just pull the little holographic inserts off, and then your piece will be holographic. The holographic effect is best seen with like clear or just like a really light tinted color of resin. But this one, the new holographic insert that I got is from Moxie and Soul Resin. I really, really love it because it covers the entire bottom of your project, and she has different sizes available. So definitely check her out for inspiration. She's an amazing artist, and I just love these inserts. But let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.